Hey everyone, welcome back to Gags Kitchen. Today I'm making something absolutely delicious, Keema Noodles. It's bold, flavorful and has the perfect chili kick just right for this weather. We'll start by making some aromatic chili oil, then stir-fry chicken keema, cook the noodles separately and finally bring everything together into the flavor bomb. So let's get cooking. Alright, I've got all my ingredients ready. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 large chopped onions, 500 grams of minced chicken, some chopped spring onions and a small piece of thinly sliced ginger. For the whole spices, I've got 1 star anise, 1 long cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves and about 8 to 10 Szechuan peppers. Now to make our aromatic chili oil, I'm taking a small pan. In a separate bowl, add 1.5 tablespoons of chili flakes or roughly ground chili powder, 1 teaspoon of finely powdered hot red chili, and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. Then set that aside. Next, heat a pan and add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of any vegetable oil. Lower the heat and add star anise and cinnamon sticks to infuse the flavor. After a minute, add the Szechuan peppers, followed by thinly sliced ginger and bay leaves. Once the ginger turns golden, turn off the stove and let it sit for 30 to 40 seconds. Then remove all the whole spices and pour the hot oil over the chili mixer we made earlier. Give it a good mix, then add salt to taste and stir again. Right now, your chili oil should look amazing, rich, aromatic and full of flavor. Let it cool slightly so flavors infuse beautifully. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix it well and it's done. This is our perfect homemade chili oil base for the Keema noodles. Moving on, heat a pan and add about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. I'm using mustard oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot, lower the heat and add the minced chicken. Then to one side of the pan, add the chopped onion. Now increase the gas from low to medium. When the onions turn soft, add 2 teaspoons of freshly ground ginger garlic paste. Now give it a good mix, combining the chicken and onions together, mixing everything well. As the chicken cooks, it will start to release some water. At this stage, add salt to taste, followed by 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and about 1.5 teaspoons of hot red chili powder. Mix everything well to combine. Break down any larger chunks of chicken with your spatula while stirring and let the keema cook for about 6 minutes or until most of the water has evaporated. Give it a quick stir and add 1 large finely chopped tomato or tomato paste, whichever you prefer. Mix everything once again and cook on low heat for about 2 minutes to bring out the rich flavor. Give it a final stir and our chicken keema is ready. Turn off the heat and set it aside. I have already boiled the water for the noodles. Once the water starts boiling, add the packet of noodles and stir. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil so the noodle don't stick to each other. Let the noodle cook for 5 minutes or simply follow the cooking time mentioned on the packet. About the minute before the noodles are done, add 4 to 5 bok choy leaves. Let them cook for a minute, then remove the bok choy and drain the noodles. Rinse the noodles with water and keep them in colander to drain any excess water. Well, I actually forgot to add the bok choy while boiling my noodles, so I'm cooking it separately instead. Just add them to the hot water, boil it quickly for a minute, and that is it, they are done. Time to bring the dish together. Take a large plate and start by making the base. Add a little over 2 tablespoons of chili oil, then 1½ tablespoon of light soy sauce, a bit of hot water from the noodles we boiled. Now add the noodles. Top them with generous amount of chicken keema. Place the bok choy on the side. Add another tablespoon of chili oil on top and drizzle a little more all over. Garnish with some chopped spring onions, and there you have it. Our delicious keema noodles are ready. Mix through all those layers of flavor and enjoy. I really hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching Gags Kitchen, and I'll see you in next one.